getPivotData function helps to extract data from specified fields in an Excel pivot table. The first argument is the data field, name or value that we are looking for. The second argument is the pivot table, a reference to any cell in an existing pivot table. Additional arguments are pairs of field names and item names that may be used to describe the data that we wish to retrieve. Let's take a look at an example. We want to find the total sum of sales. The first argument in the getPivotData function is the field from which to retrieve data. It is the sum of sales in quotes. The second argument is a reference to a cell that is part of the pivot table. It is A3, and we get the total amount of sales. Next example, to get total sales for the IT department. The first two arguments are the same. Field 1 argument is department. Item 1 is IT. The third example is to get total sales for the country United States. The first two arguments are the same. Field 1 argument is country. Item 1 United States. The next example is to get total sales, where the department is finance and country is China. The first two arguments are the same. Field 1 argument is department. Item 1 is finance. Field 2 argument is country. Item 2 is China. And we are done. Subscribe for more useful tips.